بسم الله السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. إن شاء الله هنكمل مع بعض الفيرست توبيك اللي اتكلمنا فيه وهو الاكسبوننت والراديكالز. تمام. آه، كنا وصلنا للشابتر اكسرسايز، وطبعا here will answers for this chapter start on pages about the answers. Now a calculator should not be used on the following questions. يعني هو related ليه اللي هو section 1 في ال EST أو section 3 في السات. تمام. لأن هو التو تيستس دول ما بيكونش في عندي part no calculator. لكن بالنسبة للأكت 1 عارفين إن أنت مسموح بالكالكوليتر. تمام. Okay, so here's the first question. If a power negative half equals 3, what is the value of a؟ تمام. تعال نمسك كده الكويستشن كده ببساطة ونشوف ازاي نقدر ان احنا نسولف الكويستشن ده بسرعة و correct answer. مبدئيا انا عندي هنا الباور نيجاتيف، فلما يكون عندي الباور نيجاتيف اقدر احول عندي الفاليو بتاعتي تكون باور with positive power، فيكون عندي هنا ال A هتبقى 1 over A power half. يعني احنا عملنا change للساين of the power، عملنا flip للبيز تبقى 1 over A all power half equal 3. The same here. Okay. In this case here, you can take the power of 2 for both sides. Take the power of 2 for both sides. So in this case, you will take power of 2 here, for this side here, squared, and here also squared. Here we have power, and we say that if you have power, you will multiply. And لو عندك power inside, power outside, multiply two powers together. 2 by half equal 1. يبقى أنت عندك هنا 1 over A alone, power 1 will be 1 over A equals 3 squared will be 9. So A equals 1 over 9. Okay, we make cross multiply, then solve for A. The answer will be 1 over 9. The answer will be B. تمام. Okay, well done, Yasmin. Okay, next question number 2. Here we have tells you let n equals 1 squared plus 1 power 4 plus 1 power 6, 1 power 8 to 1 power 50. Okay, so here you observe that you have only even powers. You have only even powers. And he started from 1 squared. So how many terms you have? What do you think? How many terms you have here? You have start from 1 squared to 1 power 50 and you missed the ones with odd powers. انت اي باور odd عندك مش موجود عندك في السمشن اللي موجود او يعني سمشن من x 1 power 2 to 1 power 50. في حد عنده answer؟ Okay, the answer will be C. Yes, well done. Okay, here we have 1 squared plus 1 power 4 plus 1 power 6. So till 1 power 50. You cancel 1 power odd values and you have 1 power even values. So in this case, you have only 25 term. You have only 25 term. And each term here equals 1. Here this is equals 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and so on. So we have 25 multiply 1. The answer will be 25. Is this clear, guys? Any question? Okay. Next question number 3. Here we have, this question is very important. Okay. Here you have base 4 power 2n plus 3 equals 8 power n plus 50. طيب هنا عشان نعمل يكون عندي equation مظبوطة لازم يكون عندي same base يعني بتعامل مع powers ولازم يكون عندي same base. طيب أنا هعمل convert ال 4 becomes 2 squared وانا هعمل replace لل 4 تبقى 2 squared. انا هعمل replace تاني لل 8 equals 2 power 3. يبقى انا هريبليس ال 4 2 squared replace ال 8 2 cubed. تمام يا شباب؟ طيب بعد كده هيكون عندي 2 squared all power what؟ 2n plus 3. So we just replace 4 by 2 squared equal also replace 8 by 2 cubed. تمام يا شباب؟ فاستفسار هنا then put the power n plus 5 here. كمل يا شباب. اي استفسار؟ اوكي. هنا برضه يا شباب عندي بيز سيم بيز بقت موجوده عندي. تمام. فاضل عندي هنا الباور 2 ملتبلاي الاكسترنال باور. الانترنال باور ملتبلاي الاكسترنال باور. يبقى عندي هنا 2 البيز هتكون زي ما هي. تمام. والباور عندي هيكون 2 by 2n equal 4n and 2 by 3 equals 6. باور ملتبلاي. اخذنا الرول دي قلنا عليها باور اوكي ملتبلاي. كلير. يبقى انا عندي هنا نفس الفكره عندي في السكند السكند بارت او الرايت بارت الرايت سايد. يبقى عندي هنا 2 السيم بيز بعد كده ملتبلاي الانترنال باور باي الاكسترنال باور. فيكون عندي هنا 3 by n equals 3n and 3 multiply 5 equals 15. Now we have same base, so we have equal powers. When you have same bases, you have equal power. So now we do what? We will say 4n plus 6 equals 3n plus 15. And solve for n. Solve for n. So what we're gonna do here, we will minus 3n from both sides. Okay, and also minus 6 from both sides to solve for n. This part will be cancelled and this part will be cancelled. So now we have 4n minus 3n equals n. 15 minus 6 equals 9. So n here equal 9. He asked you what is the value of n. So the answer is D. Okay guys, any question? If you have any question, just send in the chat or open the mic. Okay, let's complete here question number 4. In question number 4, here you have 2 add 2 power x over 2 power y at the left side, and at the right you have 2 cubed. Okay, so here what you're gonna do, here you have divide at the left side, and when we have same base divide, we subtract powers. Same base, okay, same base divide, we subtract powers. So here the left side will be 2 power x minus 1 equals 2 power 3. Now we have same base, equal powers. If you have same base, equal powers. So x minus y equal 3. He asks you, then x must equal. So you solve for x. So here you will add y to both sides, plus y, cancel. So x equal 3 plus y, or y plus 3, whatever. The answer is 8. Here, any question? Okay. Let's complete. So here in question number 5, here if 3 power x equals 10, what is the value of 3 power x minus 3? 3 power x minus 3. تمام يا شباب, you have 1 minute to think about the question. If you have an answer, send it in the chat. Just 1 minute, okay? Maximum. Okay guys, here question number 5. طيب بصوا يا شباب، اولا انا عندي هنا الاحظ ان انا لازم اعمل كونكت ما بين الجيفن وما بين الريكوايرد. انا عندي هنا 3 باور اكس وعندي هنا 3 باور اكس، يعني انا عندي هنا كومن، يعني انا عندي كومن بارت اللي هو 3 باور اكس. طيب ايه اللي زاد عليه؟ تمام، اوكي، ايه اللي زاد عليه يا شباب؟ اللي زاد عليه ان انا عندي ماينس 3. طب امتى بيحصل عندي ماينس في الباور يا شباب؟ احنا عارفين ان الماينس بيحصل في الباور لما يكون عندي ايه؟ لما يكون عندي ديفايد. يبقى انا لو عندي باورز، the powers دي contains minus. Okay, so here we have to divide. طيب لو احنا جينا عملنا separation للrequired هيبقى عباره عن ايه؟ هيبقى عباره عن 3 باور x over 3 باور 3. ليه؟ لان احنا لما نعمل divide لsame base we subtract powers. يبقى عندي هنا 3 is the same base like this here and it will be x minus 3. Okay, so what we're gonna here, what we're gonna do here to find the answer, you will divide both sides by 3 cubed or 3 power 3. So here we have 3 power x equals 10. You divide both sides by what? By 3 cubed here and here. So here the left side will become what? Will become 3 power x minus 3 equals what? Equals 10 over 27. So the answer is what? 10 over 27. So the answer is C. So you must make connection between the required and the given. Any question, guys? Okay, let's complete question number 6. Here you have x squared by y cubed equals 10 and x cubed y squared equals 8. What is the value of x power 5 multiply y power 5? Okay, guys, anyone has hint here? If you have any hint, you can send it or open your mic. What we're gonna do here? Okay, here you have x power 5, y power 5. Here you have x squared in the first required, and the second one you have x cubed. To get x power 5, you must multiply x squared by x cubed. To get what? X power 5. يعني انت عندك هنا x squared multiply x cubed will be x power 5. So what we're gonna do here to find the answer, you will multiply both. You will multiply here x squared y cubed by x cubed y squared. You get what? You get here x power 5, y power 5. So directly you will multiply 10 by 8. 10 by 8 equals 80. So the answer will be D. Is this clear, guys? Any question? Okay, let's complete. Here, question number 7. If A and B are positive even integers, which of the following is greatest? Okay. First, he gave you here condition. This condition that A and B are positive even integers. So here A is positive and B positive. When you have even positive power or in general even power, when you have even power, the value, if it negative inside the bracket, becomes positive. Okay, here you have a strategy to do it. You can substitute, for example, by A equal 1, okay, and substitute by B equal 2. Apply the condition. This is one strategy to find the answer. So if you apply the answer here, you put A equal 1 and B equals 2. For the first choice here, you will have what? Negative 2 squared. Negative 2 squared equals 4. For the second choice, if you substitute by A equals 1, okay, and B equals 2, so it will be negative 2 power 4. Negative 2 power 4 equals 16. Okay, number C, 2A, A equals 1. Okay, so you have 2 by 1 equals 2, 2 power 2 equals 4. This is number C. And the last one here, 2A power 2B. Here, pay attention about this choice. Why? This here you have 2 with no power. The power is 1 here. This power 2B is not mixed or not common between the two parties, 2 and A. So how can you write this expression to understand you apply the power only for A as a variable or constant? So it will be like this, 2 multiply A power 2B, not 2A all power 2B. So in this case, substitute by 2. Here you have to multiply A equals 1 power 4. 1 power 4 equals 1. 1 by 2 equals 2. So the greatest number here will be B. Is this clear, guys? So when you have
Yes,
condition
it's
like
clear.
this, okay. If you have condition like this, you can do what? You can apply the condition and find the answer. Clear? Okay, let's find question number 8. Question number 8, which of the following is equivalent to x power 2a over b for all values of x? Okay. So here we have a rule. This rule, like this, you have radical n x power n. You have this rule. How can you convert radical expression to rational exponent? This is rational exponent, guys. The power is rational as a fraction. And here, the choices are radical expression. How can we convert it? It's so easy. So here, it will be x power m over n. The power inside the radical over the index of the radical you have it. So it will be power m over n. So here you have the same value, but you make by the inverse. You have rational power or rational exponent, and you convert it to be radical expression. So in this case, you write x like this, and the power is up numerator to b. So x power 2a, and the index will be the denominator b. This is your answer here. So it will be b root for x power 2a, and the answer will be b. Okay. Okay, guys, let's take the next question here. Question number 9. Okay, think about it. You have 1 minute to solve it. Okay, right answer from who? Can you tell me your name, please? You can open your mic. Okay, guys, in this question number 9, okay, he give you x squared equal y cubed. Sometimes you start solving from the given, sometimes you start solving from the required. Okay, for what value of z does x power 3z equals y power 9? Okay, so what we're gonna do here ببساطه يا شباب، اول حاجه عندي انا هشتغل من الريكوايرد هنا، فانا عندي هنا الواي كيوبد ايكوال اكس سكويرد. طيب الواي كيوب اقدر اخليها، اقدر اعمل هنا الواي باور 9 اقدر اخليها واي باور 3 اول باور 3، هخليها باور هرجعها من بيز وباور اخليها باور. ازاي؟ هخلي الواي باور 3 اول باور 3 3 by 3 equal 9. Okay, so here it will be x power 3z the same, does not change. Then you replace y cubed by x squared. He gave it to you here. X squared equals y cubed. When you replace it, تمام، يبقى احنا هنا نعمل change للy cubed، فيبقى عندي x power 3z equals x squared all power 3. We change here, just change. Okay, guys, here, sorry. Here, we replace y cubed by x squared. That's it. Then apply the rule here again. Okay, so it becomes like this. X power 3z equals x power 2 multiply 3 power 6. Same base, equal power. Same base, equal power. Same base, equal power. So 3z equals 6, so z equal 2. Is this clear, guys? Any question?
Yes, it's clear. I solved. Can I say something?
Yeah, you can. Yeah.
I solved this question by x power 2 x equal to y third. I divided 2 divided by 3 is equal to 3z divided by 9. And I multiplied 2 to 9, and it's 18. And I multiplied 3 to 30, and it's 9z. And it should be equal to 2. I solved like this.
It's okay.
Is it also works?
Look, if you can write it to me or send it as a photo, it's okay. But I can you tell me again? You make here x squared, then divide what? Divide what? Can you say it again, please?
X.
Yeah, x squared.
Yeah, sure. I divided x squared is equal to y cube, and I divided 2 divided by 3.
Here, like this.
Yes.
You divide the
and
power.
I 2 divided by 3 is equal to 3z is equal divided by 9.
Divided by 9.
Yeah, I will write in chat. I guess
it's okay. It's okay.
1 second.
It's okay.
2 divided by 3, 3z divided by 9. And then I multiplied this. 2 multiplied by 9 and 3z divided multiplied by 3.
Yeah, you make here. Okay, you multiply 2z over 9. How we get it like this? 2 over 3 from the left one, yeah? From the left one. You divide 2 by 3, and the 3, you make it what? You make it 3z over 9.
Because it's equal to, in all this equation is equal to x equal to y, and the second one is equal to x equal to y, and all these powers that we can divide and multiply together, and it should be easily solved, because at my school we use that method in Kazakhstan. So that's why I
Yeah,
thought this is a more clear way to solve.
yeah, it's okay.
Because
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah, it's okay. So you start by the given, yeah?
yes, because all the x equal to y, x equal to y.
Yeah, x squared equals y cubed. Clear? Okay, let's give you another way. It may be easier. Okay, look here. Here we can say we can make the two sides, okay, power 3. Is this clear? Okay. Now we have the left side becomes x power 6, and the right side becomes y power 9. Is this clear? Sorry, y power 9 here. Okay. Hmm. Is this? I think this is clear. It's better way. You will take cube for both sides, x squared and y cubed. So now you have x power 6 equals y power 9. And y power 9 already equals what? Equals x power 3z. So 6 equal 3z, so z equal 2.
Yes,
What about this way? I think it's better, yeah?
yes, it's much more better.
Yeah, okay. Okay, next part here, question number 10. Okay. Here we have if 2 power x plus 3 minus 2 power x, okay, equals k multiply 2 power x. What is the value of k? You have 1 minute. Think about it. Okay. Here for this question number 10, you have here 2 power x plus 3 minus 2 power x equals k multiply 2 power x. Okay. We said G. Let's say it together. Okay. Here you have minus between 2 power x plus 2 power x plus 3 minus 2 power x equals k multiply 2 power x. And he asked about the value of k. Here you start solving from this part. So you have here, you can say that 2 power x multiply 2 power 3, because we have here addition between the power. So you can separate it by multiplication. Minus 2 power x. This part is equal to the right side, okay, k multiply 2 power x. He asked to find the value of k. So here we have a common part, 2 power x, for these two terms here. You can take 2 power x as a common. So here you have only 2 power 3 minus 1 equals k multiply 2 power x. Okay. Here now we have here 2 power x and here 2 power x. And we have here multiply, we have here multiply. So now we can cancel this part. Okay. We can cancel here 2 power x with 2 power x. So k equals what now? Equals 2 cubed minus 1. 2 cubed equals 8 minus 1 equals 7. So the answer is what? The answer is 7. Okay. Any question?
I got it. Thank you.
Yeah, well done. Okay, let's see the last one here, 11. Also complicated something here. So here we have square root of x multiplied by square root of x inside or under the radical. All of this equals x power 8. Okay. No, okay, Yasmin, you said it's D. Let's see. Okay, look here, guys. Here we can put root x, the inside one here, as x power half. This one. We can put it like x power half. So under the radical at the left side, we have x here already, multiply x power half. Okay, all of this equal x power 8. Here we have multiplication inside the radicand. Okay, we have multiply, and here we have power 1. So now let's combine first to apply the rule. Base multiply, same base multiply, add powers. So here we have x power 1 plus half will be 1 and half. 1 and half equals 3 out of 2. Is this clear? All of this equals x power 8. If you have any question, I stop here now. Just tell me. Okay, let's complete. Now we can apply the rule for this one here, nth root for nth radical for x power m. So we divide m over the index of the radical. Here we have 2 to remember, and this is you multiply the power by half. It will be 3 over 2 over 2 or multiply by half, whatever. Both are right. Okay. Yasmin, yeah, you said it's b. Okay, let's see. So now it will be like this here. Will be x power 3 over 2 multiplied by half or divided by 2 will be 3 over 4. And here will be x power a. So a equals 3 over 4. Clear? So the answer is B. Well done, Yasmin. And also, can you tell me your name, please? I went to read it well. I think it is the Nerki. Yeah.
Yes, I'm hearing you. What did you say? I had a bad
Yeah.
internet connection. I couldn't hear.
Yeah. Just I can't read your name, so I asked you to listen your name correctly from you. That's it.
It's Janirke.
Shanerki. Yeah.
Yeah, Janirke.
Shanerki. Yeah. Okay.
It
Okay.
means soul if you translate in English.
That's okay. Just ask you to how can I call it? Call you. Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Here we have.
actually,
Yeah. Yeah. I'm with you.
I've been watching your on Telegram channel for a while, and I found it very interesting to learn a lot of information for free, actually, because it really helped me to improve my score from 600 to 730 on math on the ECT, and I'm just so thankful for you. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Oh, alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. It's a big degree from you. Thank you so much. Okay.
Yeah.
Keep going. Alhamdulillah. Okay. So here, Yasmin, this question is from East test. Okay. Here, he gave you this question, but you must take care about the required. Okay. He didn't ask about x. He asked about 2x but minus 5. Okay, Yasmin? So here we have not the same base here. We must do what here? We must make common base between the left side and right side here, 3 and 9. And as we know that 9 is equals to 3. We have problem here. Wait. Okay. Here, okay, we have 3 equals 9 equals 3 squared. 3 squared equals 9. Okay. So now we can replace 9 by 3 squared. So here you have 3 squared all power 2x minus 1. All of this equal 3/4. Now you distribute or multiply powers, power multiply here. So now we have 3 power 2 by 2x equals 4x. 2 by negative 1 equals negative 2. All of this equal 3/8. Now we have same base, so we have equal powers. If you have same base and we have equal between them, so we have equal powers. So here you have to write this equation, 4x minus 2 equals 8, and solve for x. Here plus 2, here plus 2. Cancel. So 4x equals 10. So x equals 10 out of 4. But he didn't ask about 10 out of 4. He asked about 2x minus 5. Okay. So what we're going to do, we'll replace x in this required here by 10 over 4, which becomes 20 over 4 minus 5. Here, you replace x by what? By 10 over 4. So 2 by 10 over 4 minus 5. This part, all of it equal 5. 5 minus 5 equals 0. And the answer is B. Clear? Clear, Yasmin? So when you solve an EST exam, this is in Egypt, okay? When you solve it, take care about the required. Not all time he ask about X, sometimes make a problem in the required. Okay. Let's complete. Okay. Next question also from EST. This question here, he give you a radical and give you radicand contains a difference between two given terms. The idea here is to make what? I will ask you a question. Okay, can you tell me what is the required is what is the equivalent form here, and what is the point you use it or the rule you use it to find the answer? What you're gonna use here? Okay, look here. Here we have two strategies, ياسمين. عندنا two strategies هنا نقدر بيهم we can use it to solve this question. The first one, okay, is plugin. How plugin? Okay, let's see. Okay, see, let's see. Okay, let's discover this answer is right or not. First, you can plug in by two values for x and y, the same value. You can't choose any value for x and y. Okay, it tells you here x and y more than 0, which means it's positive. So you can use any positive value for x and y, any positive as you like. You can use 1 for this one and for this one also. And substitute here by x equals 1 and y equals 1. And also substitute here by x equals 1 and y equal 1. And here also, and here also, and here also. And see, do you have equivalent form or not? Okay. Okay, just wait, Yasmin. Okay. Nice try. Okay. So here, okay. So here, if you substitute by this strategy, it's okay. Very clear. For example, if you substitute here, you have 27, all of this is ones, and all of this is ones. 27 minus 8 equals 9, root 9 equals 3. So here, substitute also by x equal 1. This is the first strategy, okay? By x equal 1, here 1 and here 1, so here you have 3. Here 1, here 1, you have root 3 minus root 2, not equal. Clear? Second one, the same. Third one, the same, to reach the equivalent answer. Is this clear? You can choose this way for equivalent forms when it tells you this word, equivalent. Clear?
Clear.
Okay. Okay. Let's complete here. by the second one. Second strategy, you can take GCF from both sides. Okay, so here you can take 9, the GCF as a factor. We can take 9 from here and 9 from here. Okay. When you take 9 here under the radical, okay. So open brackets, and also you can take x squared and x squared from here and here. You can take y power 4 and y power 4 from here and here. When you take the variable which has a small degree from both sides. We have common here between x and x, y and y. We take the small part, the variable with the small power. So we take here also x squared and y power 4. Then open bracket. If you divide here, this part 27x cubed y power 5 over 9x squared y power 4, 27 divide 9 equals 3. X cubed divide x squared, so it will be x only, x power 1. Y power 5 over divide y power 4, you have only y. Is this clear? Okay. Next, you have here negative, then 18 over 9 equals 2, x squared over x squared equals 1, y power 4 over y power 4 equals 1. So now this is the first step we do. Clear? Now here we have radical or square root. You can bring out here 9x squared y power 4 outside here the radical. So it becomes 3x y squared multiplied by the radical which contains 3xy minus 2. Is this clear? So the answer will be what? The answer will be B. Make sense? Any question? I can explain it again if you want. Yasmin?
I'm sorry. I'm having really bad internet connection. So here we make 9x squared y 4. So do we divide it by 3, or what we did in this equation to make this one?
Okay, just wait.
I couldn't figure out this.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Just wait. Okay. Look here. I will open a whiteboard to explain it in details. Okay. Look here. We have, this is our form is already given to you like radical, okay, or square root 27 and x cubed and y power 5 minus 18 x squared y power 4. Here we make factorization for each part. Here, for example, we have 27. 27 equals 3 by 3 by 3. And 18 equals 2 by 3 by 3. Is this clear? Now, the common factor between 27 and 18 is what? Is 3, 3, and 3, and 3. So the common is 9.
Yes, it's 3.
So the common is 9, yeah? 3, 3, 3, 3. So the common is 9. Is this clear? The common here is 9 here and here, yeah?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay. This is the first part. Okay. The second part we have here x cubed will be x by x by x. X squared equals x by x. What's the common here? Here x, here, sorry, here x, okay?
Square.
Yeah, here x. Okay, so here we have also the common here is x squared, yeah?
Yes.
The same way, y power 5 and y power 4. The common is what? Y power 4, the least power. Is this clear? So now the common between y power 5 and y power 4 is y power 4. Did you make it like this? Y, 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 y. And here we have 4y. So the common here is 4y. You saw directly. I explained it to you quickly to solve it also quickly in the quiz or in the test. You take or the GCF greatest common factor. You take the variable with the small power. If you have here x squared, here x cubed, take x squared directly. The same here also. If you have y power 5, y power 4, take y power 4. All of it common also. Clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay, now the common between 27 and 18 is 9. Yeah?
Yes, 9x squared.
X squared, yeah. Y power
Y
4.
power y4. Yes.
Okay, just wait. Look. Now, pay attention, please. We take this part. What is the remainder from 27 here?
It's 3.
3, yeah. And what's the remainder with 18 here? Here.
2.
2, yeah. Yeah, go down here. What is the remainder from x cubed?
1. X.
X, yeah.
Oneself.
This here, yeah. Okay. Now the last one here. What's the remainder for y power 5? Do you have remainder
Y.
here? Do you have remainder here? We don't have one, yeah? Just one.
Yes.
And here also we have just one. So here we take from here the y, okay, the remainder y here, and here we have 1 by 1. Here the remainder from this one and the remainder from this one. So the answer will be only 2. Clear? Till now, is this clear or not?
Yes, it's clear. Perfectly clear.
Okay, now this radical, here we have multiplication between the first part and the second part, or the first factor and second factor. This is called second factor, and this is the first factor. This is clear, yeah?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Now we can separate. If you have root, for example, root A by B, you can make it root A by root B. Is this clear?
Yes, it's clear.
This is, you can do it for multiplication and division, but not for add or subtract. You can't separate two values contains addition sign or subtraction sign between them. You can't. So in the beginning here, you can separate the radical for the first part alone and second part alone if you have here subtraction, minus. This can't, not work, okay? So, but here works here. Why works here? Because we have multiplication. So here you can separate it like this. Root 9x squared y power 4 multiply radical 3xy minus 2. Is this clear?
2. Yes, it's clear.
Okay. Now, can we apply radical for 9? Give you what?
3 squared.
Yeah. So give you here 3 squared. Not 3 only. Root 9 equal 3. Yeah.
Yes.
And you have a square root for x squared. Give you what?
It is x.
Yeah, it is x. Well done. And here, y power 4, give you what?
Y2.
Y2.
Y squared.
Y squared. Okay.
Yes, y squared.
Multiply the radical. That's it. 3xy minus 2. Okay.
Yeah, this is perfect.
Okay. Just I explained to you in details, but in the exam, you must be quick in your work. Okay. Because you have time. Clear? So directly, how can you solve it quickly? Look, by the green solution. Quickly, how can you do it? Look. Here, you think first, think here about what is the common between 27, the greatest common is 3, no, is 9. So you take 9 outside, under the radical, don't forget. If you forget the radical, you will choose another answer, this is wrong. Now you have x cubed, so take the small power, x squared. Y power 5, y power 4, take the small power, y power 4. Then open bracket. 27, you want to complete 27. 3 by what? 3 by 9 equal 27. So you have here 3. X cubed, you take x squared, you have x. X power 5, you take x power y power 4, you have 1. Y, sorry, you have y, yeah. Then minus. You take 9 from 18, you have 2. 2 by 9 equals 18. You take x squared, you take y power 4, this is the answer. Clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Any question, Yasmin? You understand it well, Yasmin? Okay. Okay, let's back to the book. Not the book here for these questions. Okay, the first two questions is for EST. Okay, Yasmin. The second two questions is for SET. This question here, which expression is equivalent to x power 5 over 6, where x more than 0? Okay, so as we see now, here you have radical x power m for n radical. So the answer will be m power, x power, it will be x power m over n. Okay, here he give you the rational exponent and you convert it to root for the radical expression. So directly you'll put the radical like this and put x here, and the upper value, the numerator for the power, will be inside the radical here, x power 5, and outside you have 6. So this is your answer, and the answer will be D. Clear, Yasmin? Clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay. Okay, next question here may be difficult a little bit. Okay, we have here x power a squared multiply x power b squared over x power 2ab. This question is not hard, but takes time to get the point. Okay, here we have up multiply here, and we have down divide. Yeah. So directly you can apply the two rules in one part, just one step. How? You will write x, and here you have multiply, so we have your addition. So you have here x squared plus b squared. Is this clear? Make sense? Hmm. Okay. Minus, because we have divide here, minus what? 2ab equals x power 25. Is this clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Yasmin? Okay. Okay, let's complete here. So you have same base, so you have same power. You have equal power. Same base, you have equal power. So what we're gonna do? Make equivalent powers. So we have a squared plus b squared minus 2ab equals 25. Here, watch out here. We have what? I will remove these parts here, but rearrange it only. Only rearrange it. How? I will do here, put here b squared, and here minus 2ab in the at the middle, minus 2ab. So I move this part here inside between a squared and b squared, and this is okay. Makes sense. The same expression does not change. Okay, guys. So here in this part, here at the left side, this is trinomial expression, and you can write it in binomial theorem, bracket squared. So it is a minus b squared. If you have here plus, so it will be a plus b squared. All of this equals what? Equals 25. And 25 equals 5 squared. If you have same base, you have same, if you have same power, you have same base. So a minus b equals 5, and the answer is clear.
Yes, it's clear.
Okay. Okay. Yasmin, I think you're out. You okay? Okay. We have a constant session per week, but I will send the link before the session. But I will make an advice before it. Before, for example, if I have session in Monday, I will send like a message in the group, okay, in Sunday, and I will send the link before the session, 15 minutes or 30 minutes, okay, inshallah. So next week, inshallah, we have another free session, and this course is for free session per week, inshallah. And I ask you to pray for me, just it, okay. And the record, I will send it in the group, inshallah. You can hear it again if you want. Any question?
When we will have the next lesson?
Yeah, maybe in Sunday, Monday, Tuesday at most, inshallah.
Okay. In the next lesson, can we solve the International 2022 October test on math section? Especially
Again, please.
in the next lesson, can we have can we solve together the ACT International 2022 October 1st math section?
October math section, October 2022 International, yeah?
International October 1st math section.
October 1st, so the new one, yeah? You have it in
Yes, it's
in Kazakhstan, yeah?
Kazakhstan.
Yeah, but here in Kazakhstan, I think it is recycled. It is not new. October not new. August is new, but October is not new. The new one is for Middle East. Clear? I can send you the test solved before 2019. This test is recycled. The first one. You have it, yeah? We have two copies. One in Kazakhstan and one is in Middle East. In Middle East, October is new, but the test you take it in October 2022. The first copy in Kazakhstan, I think, or in Asia, is recycled from 2019. I will find the test and I will send it to you, inshallah. Okay, you can send me a message, private message. I will send you the exam, inshallah. And if you have any question, you can send it to me. I will answer you, inshallah. But this course is for basics, okay? So I explain specific topics to be like foundation course for a new student. If I have any session for free for solving test, I will tell you, inshallah.
Okay, thank you so much.
You are welcome. Okay, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.